Hi friends, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to my happy home. I'm your host Arelis. In today's video I am going to do the final packing for before I clear out the space and move out all my furniture. So that is what I'm going to take you along with me. So this is going to be my last video packing up my stuff, because today, as I am recording this, it is Friday the 3rd of July, and they are bringing the container where I can put in all my furniture. So I will be showing you that as well. But anyway, I still have a lot of stuff I need to get out of the way, and I'm going to be showing you that. So let me show you how the space is looking like. I don't think it is so much different than the previous video, but anyway, you will see the difference after this when I'm done at the end of this video. And here is a shot of the place, how it's looking like. And as you can see, I took down those wall shelves. I actually sold them. I also had a shelf here, and the same one that I had here I also had in my entryway, and I sold those as well, you guys. Yes, so I was really happy about that. But anyway, yeah, this is what the space is looking like. I still have some stuff here that I need to put away, and like I said, I wanted to have some coziness, so I didn't put away my pillows just yet, but I will be doing that today, because my couch is going to go in storage. And what I'm going to be doing today is taking this upstairs as well, and all the final things that I have, my plants and my lamps here. And another thing that I really need to do today is to clear out my my pantry cabinets here. And I already started, and I have one box with some stuff there, and I still need to clear this out completely, and I am going to be doing that today, as you can see. So yeah, that is what I will be doing. And yeah, stay tuned, because I have a lot to do before the end of the day. Everything has to be cleared out so that I can take out the furniture later in the evening. you guys, I am done putting all the stuff away that I needed to put away. There are just some minor things that I still need to do, like taking down the curtains and the curtain rails, and some stuff, my mirror here in the hallway, and I still have like this frame above my credenza that I have to take down. But those are just minor things. I don't need an hour for that, I think. So yeah, I am really tired, you guys, and I am sweating my brains out because I've been literally running up and down the stairs into the garage, putting stuff away, because later this evening we are going to move my furniture into the container. They delivered the container this morning, and you guys, I was so impressed. And the guy that delivered it even said that, well, it looks much more impressive than it really is. And it took about, I think, 15 minutes for him to drop the container. And well, it is amazing. I will insert a clip after this showing you how they dropped the container. And of course, I will be showing you how all my stuff is fitting in the container as well. I'm not going to be filming moving the stuff into the container because no time for that. But after I've moved everything, I will show you a tour of my empty house, because now I'm gonna show you a tour of a cleared space with still only the furniture left. But anyway, let me show you how it looks like right now. And this is how everything is looking like. It is completely empty, you guys. Yes, I also put away, of course, my pillows. So yeah, I will be staying here for the next, I think, 5 nights even. Because this weekend I still have to take down, like I said, the curtains and stuff like that. What I'm going to be doing is taking this table apart before we move it, so it doesn't take up so much space. And you guys, look at this. I'm not sure what you call it, but I borrowed it from my work. They had it at work, so I asked if I could borrow it, because I also have to move my washing machine, and that's a bit heavy, or well, it's hard to grab. So I think these things are very easy. But anyway, yeah, this is what it looks like. I also have to put away my plant over there. All my plants are gone, as you can see. And I did decide, oh, let me show you my pantry. It's all cleared out, as you can see, so ready to move. And I did decide, because that's what I'm going to do this weekend as well, to take down all the decor that I have, because I just do not want to risk them damaging anything or trying to make coffee while I'm not here and damaging my stuff. So I'm going to make it as clear as possible. So yeah, this is what it looks like, you guys. I am so satisfied. And yeah, this I also have to take down. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So from the back of my house I can walk to the storage unit, and that is how we put in all the furniture, and you can see it there already. And it took us a little over 2 hours, I think 2 hours and 10 minutes altogether, and it went very fast and quite easy. But anyway, this is what everything is looking like. So they are stored until I'm ready to put them back inside the house. Well, that's it, you guys. I am going to wrap this video up. I hope that you have enjoyed this and that you are just as excited as I am for this journey that I am on. And I cannot wait to show you the items that I already purchased and showing you the process and the progress of my refresh, my new floor and the paint job and all of that. So yeah, if you are interested, please make sure, if you are not a subscriber yet, to hit that subscribe button and become a resident of my happy home. I would totally love it if you would do so, and it doesn't cost you anything, you guys. Really, it is for free. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in my next one really soon. Until then, always remember to live, laugh and love. Bye guys.